Where to why you go tell you say yes.
But you block and they work together. Is it working?
Wait, make I tell you, my son.
Wait,
I don't tell you say you are on field there, but I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor for engine. Yes, because if it has anything fault here, I will indicate.
Okay, but let me come to you. You bring this reader, this reader. Fine. Like this engine generator now, it have carburetor, abi? If the carburetor, if it dirty, it go move fine. What's the main of service? When they say they go service engine.
Look, let me tell you.
No, I'm coming. You don't talk your own. Let me speak on to you. Yeah.
If it does any dirty where they will remove it.
What did they bring the dirty for them? What did they bring the dirty?
This is the thing where they bring dirty. Is dirty way from if not for carburetor, it's from the petrol. If you no be petrol or water enter there, you no go nothing like
this engine. Why they make to service? This small engine now. Everybody fair use them before you go to use big one. As you go there, they bring you up, so you go the high. This one now, the block.
I don't tell you say
no,
you
we are not we are just.
But if you are,
we talk about the experience now. We are not argue. This one now, you cannot test human being.
Which one?
This one, you cannot test human being. If you can test human being just now, when you add the two, you're supposed to get earth. It's different wire. You're supposed to get earth. And you add them together, you read. You cannot read. You cannot use it for human being. Let me come to you. You use it like when you want to use it now, use it for wire. To know the one when you don't burn. To know the one when they day work. But you use it to eat your blood. You say they do test. No. If you want to listen to use Baba, if you want to you want to check your body, go and buy manual computer. They say for chemists. You see all those people when they say all those full stop image GNV, they get them.
And the one I have, where if you put that, it will make it. It will shake your body.
I
don't tell you say you don't know your work. I think understand.
Wait, we are talking the same thing. Where I want to, because I see you now as a father, and you still dey very young. Don't let this thing confuse you.
No go confuse you. But I know my Lord. Like now, you are moving now. Where look, if it does, even if it's small thing, choke you for body, for hand, it will even though to go your body.
You go affect it, yes.
Now, like now, if you know the piece well, you will know. I think you understand. Yes. If you go to the if it has somehow way, if it has somehow way change, you will know. You'll be like this day before. From there you will know what to do. Nobody say that if you, some people they think that if you person drink medicine, no go like not like that. But there's one way to take hand in hand also. But to take medicine the kind way it's supposed to take, you know that. I think